Classified ads. Wanted immediately. Sales representative. Aba, parang congressman ah. Yung qualification. Must be single. Oh, that's me. I'm a bachelor. At least high school graduate. Aba. Exactly. I'm a high school graduate. No experience needed. Oh, it's me again. I'm virgin. Must be aggressive. Aggressive. Matapang ako. Also must be willing to travel. Aba, eto yung matagal ko ng pinakahihintay. With pleasing personality. Ano sa palagay niya?